Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a game changer for your heavy lifting needs, the ELITEWILL 2 inches Forklift Trailer Hitch Receiver Attachment. If you're looking for the best forklift hitch attachment on the market, you've come to the right place. This robust towing adapter is designed to fit a 2-inch hitch receiver and is compatible with pallet forks up to 5.7 inches wide. It's perfect for those who need a reliable and durable solution for towing heavy loads. The construction of this attachment is what truly sets it apart. Made from high-quality alloy steel, it boasts a heavy-duty design that can handle an impressive capacity of up to 3,000 pounds. Whether you're moving pallets of goods or towing equipment, you can trust that this attachment will hold up under pressure. Installation is a breeze. Simply slide the adapter onto your forklift's forks, secure it with the provided safety chain, and insert it into your hitch receiver. Within minutes, you're ready to move and tow objects efficiently. It's designed for ease of use, so you can spend less time setting up and more time getting the job done. Let's talk about the size. The ELITEWILL attachment measures 16 inches in length, 6 inches in width, and stands 5 inches tall, with a thickness of 1.5 inches. Weighing in at 8 pounds, it's sturdy yet lightweight enough to handle without any hassle. Another notable feature is its powder-coated finish, which not only enhances durability but also provides a sleek look. This finish helps protect the attachment from rust and corrosion, ensuring it stays in great condition even when exposed to the elements. Versatility is key when it comes to tools like these, and the ELITEWILL forklift trailer hitch is no exception. Whether you're in a warehouse, construction site, or any setting that requires heavy lifting, this attachment will meet your needs. It's designed to simplify your operations, making it an essential addition to your equipment. So, if you're tired of struggling with inadequate towing solutions, consider upgrading to the ELITEWILL 2 inches forklift trailer hitch receiver attachment. With its solid construction, impressive towing capacity, and user-friendly design, it truly stands out as the best forklift hitch attachment available today. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and product insights. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this attachment, drop a comment below. Until next time, keep lifting and moving efficiently.